Hello my pretties, the witch is back. Today we are sigil crafting, so let's just jump into it. Of course you can use a pencil or pen and paper. Today I'm using my iPad so that I could make a lot of mistakes without wasting paper, to have a digital copy, and to have some design flexibility later on. Your sigil starts with your intention. What is it for, and what short sentence affirmation can you write about it? Normally I would do an I am statement, like I am protected, but for this one I decided to use safe travels because I'm making it for a little road trip, and it could be interpreted as an affirmation, but it also has sort of a send-off vibe. It just felt right. Follow your intuition. Now once I have written out my word, my affirmation, my intention, I cross out all of the vowels. After you do that, you will also cross out all of the repeating letters. So I have 2 S's, I don't need that second S. So now this is what we are working with. The first method I'm going to try is taking the general shapes of the letters and trying to combine them. I tried to take like shapes to double as multiple letters and just see where it takes me. After playing around with the shapes for a bit, this is where the first try got me, and I wasn't a very big fan of it, but I learned what I liked and what I didn't like about it, so I did decide to try it again. So this is take 2, which I did like a lot better, but I wanted to keep going and try using the wheel method of making sigils next. There are a lot of different variations of even the wheel method. This is just one way of doing it. Start by drawing a circle and writing the numbers 1 through 9 like a clock around it. Each number is assigned to a letter like the grid shown right now. Once you have your letter to number sequence, which you can see I have right here, you will connect those numbers inside of the circle. These lines can be as angular or rounded or squiggly as you like. This first one that I did is a lot more angular. I decided to try one with a little bit more of a rounded, flowy energy because that's what I was trying to take with me. This next one unintentionally came out reminding me a little bit of a butterfly, which I really resonated with. I thought it kind of fit this sort of flowy, airy travel theme, and it really quickly just fit the best for me. I decided this is it. This is my sigil. You'll tend to just know. I also decided to try seeing what sigilengine.com would come up with me because they have a sigil maker where you put in your affirmation and they will make one for you. I liked theirs too, and I wound up saving it to my phone to use as a phone background during my trip, but I still wanted to use the one that I custom designed, and I saved that one to my phone too. Since I made it digitally, I printed out a couple different sizes for different uses, and then I also decided to make some that were designed in a little bit more of a fun, festive vacation energy to them. Now that my sigils are designed and ready, they are ready to be activated. There are so many different activation methods. Today I'm going to use salt and air. I grabbed a dish of salt. I have a combination of sea salt and rock salt in here. I placed my sigils on top of the salt, and then I spoke aloud my affirmation and intention for the sigil, and with the same breath that I spoke, I blew air onto the sigils to activate them with my breath, my energy, the intention, and all kind of utilizing this salt, sea, earth energy as well. Once they were activated, I turned some into keychains for me and my partner to have. I made some into stickers to put on travel bags, and I made a little one to put in my wallet so I always had it on me no matter where I was. I was going to have my wallet with me. And then we hit the road. Thanks for watching. Happy sigil crafting, and I will see you guys in the next one.